So today we're gonna make caramelized ginger tea. I have my whole ginger, all natural. I'm gonna grate it with the skin on. It's melting. Look at that. That's beautiful. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, and you can add this too. All right. Look how beautiful is that. So now it's boiling. We're gonna reduce the flame from high to medium low. How about number 4, right? So it's boiling, and then the color is already very nice. Look at that. Yes, very nice, and the smell is amazing. Now I'm gonna add 2 cloves. So now you're gonna start making the tea. All you need your little pot to be hot. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. The sugar is gonna melt a little bit. So when it melted, and the tea is ready to be served. So, storyteller at work. This tea reminds me of my grandma. She used to serve us tea before eating any meal, any breakfast in the morning. But her tea used to have a lot of herbs, but mine, I caramelize the sugar to make it different and nice. Storyteller at work.